This roll out the recipe is brought to you by the folks at Great Foods. I've been doing some fantastic stuff using Great Foods. I'm working with their sliced products, sliced ham, sliced salami, that kind of thing. So Great Foods, a full array of sliced products. And all I really am doing here, I want to get some mushrooms. I love mushrooms.
All right.
Work with man. No.
I like mushrooms. I don't love mushrooms. It depends on how it's prepared.
So after you eat this, you'll let me know.
All right.
Right? After you eat this, you'll let me know.
Because I just judge your had.
So onions, pimentos, and some mushrooms.
Yeah.
As seasoning layers.
All right.
As work with plenty chefs on the show now.
They get me.
Yeah, season. Yeah.
Yeah, that's swag. Yeah.
This I want a little kick. I like a little kick. So I add in some pepper flakes and some chili powder. Let that do its thing there. So this is sliced salami. They also have a sliced ham.
Okay.
That I just kind of mix the ham and the salami.
My kind of person. Man.
Yeah. Nice rough chop. And once it's nice and rough chop like that, I can add it to this guy here.
Good knife skills.
So I have ham. Hey, my knife skills improve.
Yeah, you look like a ninja. My knife skills improve. You look like a ninja.
Yeah. Can't laugh at those knife skills now. Can't laugh at them.
No, right? Hey.
So that's happening there. To that now, I'm going to go straight in with the meat. So this is the base of. I didn't tell people what I'm doing.
I have no idea.
I
just want to.
I didn't tell people.
I trust you.
What am I doing? This is a little experiment. It's a creamy ham and mushroom pie.
I thought it was sausage and egg.
No, it's not just sausage and egg. No, I could have done that. But I had to take it to Preedy coming on the show. So I think do sausage and eggs.
Are you ready?
Right? So it's a creamy, cheesy ham and mushroom pie. So I get that kind of going there, and I just want everything, ham, mushrooms, onions, some pimento peppers, just kind of working its way there. To that, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. I just have about a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese that I want to add there, and some breadcrumbs. So this is a egg dish. An egg dish that will turn into a nice pie that we can cook.
So I guess as it's a pie, it will be more savory.
That's right. And hey boy, that one in a cookbook. Put that one in the Cup of Joe cookbook. That one in the Cup of Joe cookbook. Pretty. This is my base. Now the ham is already cooked. It's all cooked. So I really just want to heat it through a little bit. I have some fresh Spanish thyme.
Nice.
I'm just adding that to it just to the end there.
And I always like to start off with my veggies first and then my meat right after, because I feel like the veggies just soak up the meat once it cook a little bit.
So tell people, Preedy, you cook.
Yeah.
You do a little thing.
Yeah, well, as I mentioned before, I grew up with my mom.
Yeah.
And for a long time, my mom was cooking. I was the oldest. I had a little brother and a little sister. And my mom used to just leave the recipe home, leave the ingredients, and I would just come and call her on the phone and say, Mom, I'm making this right, and bad. And one thing she told me when I turned 16 is, Mr. Man, no woman in Trinidad and Tobago could coast on you. If you don't understand what I'm saying? No woman, as she said, no woman could cut style on you, because you see, these hands is not only for love and writing music, but I will dine you into my heart, or your heart, any way you want to take it. You'll fall in love with the figures.
No, I met Preedy's mom, and Preedy's mom is a serious woman.
You see,
so Preedy's mom is a serious woman.
Legit. Fellas, you want to win in life? Learn to cook.
Yeah.
Learn to cook.
So Preedy.
Watch my boy clapping, so.
So this is the base of the magic.
All right.
This is the base of the pie. So you grease a nice dish, and you just kind of spread very evenly.
So you're not letting it overcook?
No, because it has to bake.
Okay.
Because it has to bake. To that, I'm going to add.
So I seen the cream cheese there. The cream cheese
so I am adding just a layer. This is cheddar cheese.
Okay.
This is just ordinary cheddar cheese.
Oh, okay.
Just a layer of cheddar cheese to the top here.
But I was under the assumption that you'd pour on the cream cheese first.
You're under the assumption?
that you would have put on the cream cheese first.
No, so follow me, work with me.
I am.
Right?
I'm learning. I'm a
In
student.
my blender, I have 1 block of cream cheese,
Okay.
and I have 4 eggs here. They're going in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. We're rolling out a recipe because this is the folks at Great Foods, and this is a recipe, guys, that you can try. Put your twist on it. You don't have to do what I do. We give recipe ideas here that you can try at home. Put your own twist on it. Pretty, I just want to salt and pepper this
Okay, so
mixture.
you season it individually also.
Everything you do.
Season individually.
You want to give it a little flavor. As I said, I want a little spice. And I'm just going to add the rest of my greens in here as well. I cover that.
I used to drive a car that used a song just like that, you know, when it hit 60. Just like that.
So this is where the magic is. I am pouring this guy all over. So that's why when I told you a creamy, cheesy, simple to do, follow the steps, get the recipe on our bio, eggs, cream cheese.
Oh, nice. So you're putting four eggs with the
4
whole...
eggs with a whole block of cream cheese.
Say no more.
This goes in the oven.
Okay.
Bakes for 30, 35 minutes.
Okay. So like at this stage here, if I wanted to add breadcrumbs on top or anything on top, bacon.
So I won't do it at this stage.
You'll do it before and then show the cream cheese.
After. That's why you saw I put the cheese below.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so everything will seep down nicely there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get me? Hi, brother. Taste, enjoy. It might be a little hot. Yeah. Put the mic down. Taste, enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, Akeem Chance, Preedy.
The mic.
Try this recipe at home, guys. It's one that is very simple. Roll out a recipe brought to you by the folks at Great Foods, making it possible. We're taking a short break. Preedy, eat up, taste, tell me how it's tasting. Come hungry, leave happy. Fun food, friends. Right here at Fiesta Plaza. We're coming back.